In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Designer in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted your slides to look polished without spending a ton of time on layout, PowerPoint Designer, also called Design Ideas, is your best friend. It automatically suggests professional layouts based on what's on your slide, so you can focus on your content while it handles the visual refinements. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation, either a new deck or an existing one. If you're working on something important, it's a good idea to save a copy so you can experiment freely. Designer works on a slide-by-slide basis, so pick one slide to start with. Next, add content to that slide. Designer needs something to work with: text, images, or charts. A clear slide title helps it understand what's important. If you're using images, choose high-quality, uncluttered visuals. If you're adding a chart, insert an actual chart rather than a static screenshot so Designer can recognize it. Keep the slide focused. Too many elements can reduce the quality of suggestions. Now, head to the Home tab or the Design tab. On the right side of the ribbon, look for the Design Ideas button. Click it. If you don't see it, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in, as Designer uses cloud services. Also, ensure you have content on the slide. Designer won't appear for completely blank slides. A panel will open on the right, showing suggested designs. Scroll through the options and take a moment to compare layouts, image treatments, and color variations. You'll usually see choices that emphasize your main image, align text cleanly, or create balanced white space. If nothing shows up, try adjusting your content, add a title, replace a low-resolution image, or simplify busy slides, and click Design Ideas again. When you find a design you like, click it to apply it to your slide. The change is instant, and you can switch to another suggestion anytime by clicking a different thumbnail. If you change your mind, use Undo to revert. Remember, Designer applies to the current slide only, so repeat the process on other slides you want to enhance for a consistent look. As you continue, notice how new suggestions appear when you edit content. Designer adapts to what you add, and it often improves readability with better contrast and alignment. Before you wrap up, skim your slides to ensure consistency and make any small tweaks to text size or spacing as needed. That's all there is to it: quick, effective, and professional.